it's Linda Medeiros with What's Linda Cooking and director with The Pampered Chef. Tonight I'm doing a really quick stir fry, and I had some pork left over from last night, so I don't know if you can see in here, we have some pork going with a little bit of honey and a little bit of soy sauce and sesame, garlic, and all of that good stuff right in there. So we're going to quickly stir fry that. I've got in my stir fry, my non-stick stainless stir fry skillet. So we're going to do that. And then I'm going to add some veggies, because we want some veggies in here. And I got a lot of veggies. So we've got our simple slicer. I'm just going to take my onion and we're going to put it right in here. And we're going to slice it really quickly. Very easy, very quick. Oh, well, that's live TV. That's coming off. There we go. You know, I've only been doing this for 20 years, so you'd think that I would know how to cook. Okay, so we're just slicing this. Look at how nice that comes out. Because I do want it really thin. Oh, a little bit more. There we go. And I'm going to take that little bit out right here. I got a little bit of the, what do you call it in? So we're going to throw that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Live TV. Need to get rid of stuff. Okay. So we're going to throw onion in there. And we're just going to stir fry all this stuff up because it is going to be a quick meal. And we're going to put this over some rice. I'm using up odds and ends. That's what I'm doing now, okay? And hey, Jen. And I've got a little bit of cabbage. We got a huge thing of cabbage. So I've just sliced it up. We're going to dump that in there. Normally this recipe, we do a little bit of cabbage that is, what do you call it, cabbage? Purple cabbage. But I don't have purple cabbage. I have, regular white cabbage. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to do that crisp tender. Not going to do it for that long. But then we're going to do our sauce that we're going to put in here. And then I had some frozen veggies that it was a mix. I'm going to throw that in there too. Probably, not the best choice, but, it's got all the veggies I kind of wanted in there, and I've got to use it up, so I might as well throw it in there and then serve it all over some rice. And I've got some rice going. I'm going to show you that in a minute. So I've got my batter bowl here, and we're going to just make this sauce real quick. We've got some soy sauce. It's supposed to have sriracha. Don't have any sriracha. So I'm going to put about that much. And you notice I don't, do a lot of measuring. And so we're going to put some oil. This is just regular vegetable oil, canola oil, whatever. So we got, oh, you know what? I forgot a couple of ingredients. I've got some frozen, what are those called? Anybody? Tell me. Peppers. Right in there. And then I've got some edamame. And I just had that, so I'm just going to add it. And I just zap those in the microwave for a little bit. By the way, these are my prep bowls. Love, love, love them because I prep everything up ahead of time and then I store things in them. I use these for storing anything in. These I use for storing my soups and stuff. I love them. And then they go right into the microwave real quick. So I've got some honey. I'm going to put some honey in here too. And if I can open this, oh my goodness. Do you know honey is one of the only things that does not go bad? Like you can have it indefinitely on your pantry. And sometimes it solidifies a little bit, but you just put it in the microwave and that's it. And it will, come, it'll be fine. So we've got that. Now I'm going to put a little bit of cornstarch and then some garlic. And that is going to be our our sauce that we're going to make in this. We're going to put about that much. That much. Okay. Why I love this bowl, I use it as a measuring bowl all the time. I use it to store. I use it for all kinds of stuff. In fact, I make my mashed potatoes in here a lot. Just quarter the mashed potatoes, put them in there, put the cover on, put it in the microwave, then drain it, and then mash it right in there. Store it in there. Next day, my husband eats it right out of the bowl, and then it goes right into the microwave. So, love, love, love. Oh, in the dishwasher, I'm sorry. I'm going to add some hot sauce, because we don't have, not hot sauce, red pepper, because we don't have the sriracha. So, I'm just going to add some red pepper flakes. Now, if my son-in-law was here, he'd be like, put more of that in there. But I'm not going to put too much in there. We're going to just shake that in there. I'm going to put a little bit of ginger, just because I like it. There we go. And how's my stir fry going over here? I think it's going pretty good. These are my wooden tools. I love these. We have spatula, we have the spoon, we have the offset. And this is going to have a lot of veggies. I don't know if you've noticed, but I really don't eat a ton of meat. So I usually have more of the veggies, and then meat is like kind of like a side dish for me. So don't you love that, Jen? Yes, I do measure, like, just like throw it in. But anyways, so this, by the way, was my simple slice. Just slice up my potatoes, I do my zucchini in here and anything like that. Really, really easy. So let's take this, mix it up, and there is my sauce that is going to go into the stir fry, okay? Now, some of you are like, well, I don't have pork. What am I going to do? Have chicken. And some of you are going to be like, well, I don't have all of these ingredients. We'll use other ingredients, just like I'm doing. I'm not using the ingredients that it says. I'm just using the ingredients that I have. And I'll post the recipe in the comments. And then, like I said, I had some of these. I'm going to throw that in there. And then this is going to be almost done because the pork is so thin that it is just about done. And I want, the cabbage, I kind of want it crisp tender. I don't want it really, 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 soft. So I'm going to let that go a little bit longer. And I'm going to show you the rice. Hopefully you can see me over here. I've got my quick cooker. And I am just letting that go right here. And I'm going to take out my new little, dropped it. My new little things. I've got this one on wrong. Let's see. I'm going to do it this way. I always do these wrong. Like this, the little grippers. I love them because they're great for the air fryer, but they're also great for this too. To get out the, if I can take this off. There we go. So I've got my rice in here. It took about 4 minutes. Let's hope that doesn't fall. And here it is. We've got the rice, and there's perfectly steamed rice. Done in about 4 minutes. So actually, I do it in about, I'm going to say, with it coming up to temperature, coming up to pressure, it probably only take me 10 minutes. Now, rice normally, when you do, regular rice, you are going to be doing at least 20 minutes. And most of what you're cooking, is done in 10, 20 minutes. So that's why, I love the quick cooker that I can steam it in there really, really quickly. Again, my son-in-law absolutely loves that quick cooker for the rice alone. So I'm going to put these veggies in, using up what we have. And if my husband doesn't like those veggies, guess what? He can pick them out. And then we're going to put the sauce in. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so good. Oh, wait a second. I forgot the garlic. You know what? No one told me about the garlic. Some of you need to, remind me of this stuff, okay? Not that I can see your comments and everything, but, remind me when I forget to put something in there. This is my garlic press, and I've got some garlic. I'm going to take that out right now. This is actually still some garlic in there. I think I'm going to do, I love the garlic press. And this one, the skin fell off, so I'm just going to, you have to have muscles sometimes. And there we go. And then these little things that are left over, that's going to go into my bag of tricks. Like I say, I put in my freezer all of my leftover at my ends of the onions, like these onion ends are going to go in there. And that's how I make my stock and stuff. So, gosh, this is so good. We actually got interrupted a little bit. So let's see if we can, okay. So we're going to put this together. I'm going to show you how it looks on the plate. Here I am, going over here. Uh-oh, making a mess. I'm back. Okay, so we're going to take some rice, put this on the plate, shut this down. Like, how long did that take? Like 15 minutes, maybe? And we're going to put this on, and that is what is for dinner tonight. A great pork stir fry. Some veggies, some rice, and all of that. Now, I have to tell you, if you are interested in any of these products, of course, you want to have maybe your own show, or, right now everybody's home. I'm going to be doing a lot of these segments, and I have been doing a lot of these segments, but you want to maybe book your own show and get it for free, half price at a great discount. In fact, that quick cooker that I talked about, right over there, 60% off this month, plus an extra $50 or $100 in free. What? Oh my gosh. And everybody's home and everybody's cooking. So you're going to get some great tips for getting dinner on the table, because we're all in this together and we're all trying to just feed our families and keep everybody safe. So that's what we're going to be doing. Okay? So let me know, comment below what you're cooking tonight. And if you're watching this on YouTube, if I can get it on YouTube, then share and subscribe and all of that. So this is Linda Medeiros, director with The Pampered Chef and What's Linda Cooking, saying goodbye for now and be safe, everybody. Talk to you soon.